Hey, hey, beautiful babes. Welcome back to Sugar Fingers. I am your girl, Sweet Angel. Y'all, today we're going to be discussing how to remove those jewels and rhinestones from your nails. I know it's gotten a little bit rough over the last couple of weeks, so I'm here to show you how I do it, as well as taking off your gel nail polish. Very simple today. We're not going to spend a lot of time on this, so let's just get ready. And if you have not subscribed to this new channel, Sugar Fingers, why don't you go ahead and do that right now and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So let's just get started. Pretty simple here. If you're getting ready or want to remove those jewels or rhinestones off of your nails, the way I do mine is simply use cuticle nippers. Some people call them trimmers, but I call them nippers. I got these from Amazon. These are not my favorite ones. I can't find those, but these work so great. All you have to do is easily just take it, securely put it around the rhinestone and nip, and it should pop right off. Now, if you got some heavy duty glue, or some people use gel on those rhinestones as well, it may take a little bit of elbow grease, but it should not take too long to get them off. If you have a bunch of them compiled together, just start from the outer rhinestones and snip away. Simple as that. Now, once you get the rhinestones or jewels off of your nails and you want to remove the gel polish underneath, very simple to do. The gel polish has a top coat on it. First, you're going to take a nail file or a buffing block and buff that top clear coat away. Just buff it right off. Shouldn't take you but a little while. And once that's cleared off, you're then able to go ahead and soak off the gel polish. The way you do that is simply take some cotton balls, soak it with 100% pure acetone, and put the cotton ball on there. I have these cute little acrylic nail soak-off caps that I got from Amazon, but you can actually just wrap them in aluminum foil. So easy to do. And beautiful babes, once you do that, you're good to go. Now, we're going to talk more. This is just part one of removing your fake nails, your gel nails, and we're going to do some acrylic nails as well. So stay tuned right here on the channel. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe again. Hit the post notification bell, because I know a video that you've been waiting for is coming up real soon right here on Sugar Fingers. And I thank you so much for your support right here. Beautiful babes, like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, one more thing. Check, please, in the description box for all of the items that I mentioned in this video. Check there. They are my affiliate links. I'd love it if you support me. I really do. But you can grab these items just about anywhere. I do appreciate it. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. And please share this channel with everybody that you know. I'd love it so much. Thanks a lot. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.